In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to log into Pokémon GO with a Google account. Logging into Pokémon GO with your Google account is one of the easiest ways to save your progress and play across device. So let's get started. First of all, download and launch open your Pokémon GO application on your mobile device, and once you are in the main welcome screen, tap on Returning Player. In the menu displayed on the next page, you will be able to see sign-in options. Select Sign in with Google and follow through the prompts. Click on Continue and you will be taken to accounts.google.com, from where you can go ahead and enter your Google account's credentials. Sign into your Google account by entering your email or your phone number and tapping on Next. Now, enter your Google account's password on the next page and tap on Next again. After you do that, allow necessary permissions as location, camera, etc. And that's it. Once logged in, you can continue catching Pokemon and exploring the world. There you have successfully logged into your Pokemon GO with your Google account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.